Hey you guys, welcome back to another episode of The Blazers. I'm a bit of a mess today, so today's Thursday for me, and that is usually my deep clean day here on my homestead. Saturdays is farm day, I clean the barn, and on Thursdays I clean the house. Both of them are never clean at the same time. This is not a farm episode per se, but I'm trying to gear my channel just towards homesteading, and part of that for me obviously is, being a housewife and cleaning and just taking care of my family. So in this episode, I'm going to show you guys the best way that I have found to clean my couch. It's inexpensive and it takes a little bit of elbow grease, but it's really not that bad. So hopefully you guys find this video helpful and it will work for your couch. Microfiber couch, I think, would be the type of material I would say for it, and the glass cleaner works really great on that. Come this with me?
Yeah.
I started cleaning the couch around 12 o'clock and it was, I would say, completely dry around 6 o'clock. So you want a good 5 to 6 hours to let your couch dry. Hopefully you guys liked this video and we will see you next episode.